gonna teach you guys my 3 favorite text effects that I used recently in a video that absolutely exploded with comments saying that it was absolutely fire. So I thought I would share the sauce with you guys and give you my favorite 3 effects that I used constantly in this video. So let's get straight into it. My first one I absolutely love is this cursive first letter, and then the rest is like a different cool type of bold fonts. And if you guys are wondering like where do you get these super clean fonts that I use in all my videos, I actually made a video showing my 3 favorite fonts, the actually fonts that I used in this entire video and I always only use because they're just the 3 best fonts I swear to God in human history. And I got them for you guys and I made a video on them. So make sure to go find that font video. I'll leave it in the link description and I'll actually plug it up on the top. I think it goes up here over here. It's a card that pops up somewhere. And without further ado, let me show you how I do this. So text, I'm guessing is gonna look like this. All you have to do, super simple, dude, is, I don't know if I actually want to reveal this. I'm gonna do it though, is highlight the first letter or whatever letter you want to be cursive. I like to do the first one, and a quick little trick is if you capitalize it with the font that we use, which is this font called Ashton Script Bold, it makes their capitalization is like crazy. So I'll actually put a D. So you can see that both the D's have different. The capitalization of the D is more extravagant. And then the next one is just like that. But I mean, this also looks fucking killer. That's sick as shit too. But I just like to do the first one like that. And boom, you are done and you have this sick ass effect. Now the second one I absolutely love to do and I do all the time is actually the hook of this video. This effect right here, super duper simple. I actually use that Ashton script, so I capitalize the Y. It does that really cool cursive. And then I made this effect. You can see it's kind of like a negative effect almost. It reacts differently than this white does, and it's super easy, duper and simple. I made it super easy for you guys if you actually just search up negative effect. If you guys have the Allpack short form editing workflow that's in the link in the description, you can just drag and drop it. So we come in here, we come into the text. I organize everything for you guys so then you can easily just go from boom, 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 boom. You're not stuck here all day. You can just drag up. Let's make this life pop up. We'll make the recently appear down. And now in a matter of seconds, we have. Yeah, that's sick. And then the yo comes in and you can just search up, it's called negative effect I have in here. Just drag and drop it. You guys can actually find that negative drag and drop effect. I have free presets for you guys so if you want to just test these out for yourself. Again, those will down in the link in the description. Just join my newsletter and you will be sent in the first email free presets and free practice footage from me. So if you want to edit my exact videos and just use that as practice, go ahead, feel free. But this workflow just saves you so much time. And the creators that use it are like Brian Panita's editor uses it, Brian Delamata. I can just list names, goes on and on and on, and thousands of people use it to create aesthetically pleasing reels exactly like me in a matter of minutes instead of hours. You're not stuck at your desk all day anymore. So definitely go check that out. And the last 2 effects, I'll quickly show you how to do them, is this around, this one that's behind my head, and also one that is in front, 2 different effects. You can see that I used that Ashton Script Bold font on the bottom one, and then the top one, I used a different font that you'll find out if you go check that video. Go fucking check, go watch that video right now after you're done. All right. Anyway, we're gonna first start off with this bottom one. It's called Never, or the text that's Never. Just click on it, come into your effects control, go down to opacity, and then just turn it to overlay, and you'll get this really cool, sick effect. And then the last one is this text on the back. All you have to do is come into properties, click into here, come down to your stroke, uncheck the fill, and then just check the stroke, and then just do it to whatever you feel looks good. And boom, you now have literally every single one of the text effects that I used in this video. And if you guys want to learn exactly how I edited this video and more importantly, masked out my subject all in Premiere, so then you can make cool ass and put, let's say, text behind my head just like so, and rotoscope your transitions so you can have a transition like this, and also put text behind my head like this, and do a transition like this. Go check out my rotoscope masking video, just came out, shows you how to do all of this one click inside of Premiere Pro Beta. Really cool new feature. I definitely recommend going and checking that out. I'll leave that video right over here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!